What's up, everybody? On my way to my buddy Charles' house. We're gonna go off-road in Anza Borrego. Not specifically sure which trail yet. He's gonna let me know because he's driving a way wider, bigger truck. It's a Ram 2500, so yeah. So we are stopping for pies at Mom's. And this little city's kind of cool. So we've just entered Anza Borrego State Park. If you need gas, you should probably get it ahead of time because it doesn't look like there's any gas stations anywhere nearby. Yeah. So we just aired down. Not sure if we need to. Do my vlog, bro.
I'm just gonna ram right through you.
So we just aired down, and not sure if we needed to, but it's our first time on this trail. So just in case. So didn't need to air down, but it is a pretty bumpy ride. So it did help. Gonna try to find a picnic area and barbecue. So we are entering our first trail, and it's a little bumpy.
You guys want to stop and check something out? Not even like 5 minutes into it, we're already stopping.
Well, this rock wall is cool. We didn't stop for pictures, it's because the Ram broke down.
Choose your fighter.
There's people hiking up ahead.
Oh wait, hold on, I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong side. Okay, there's a lot of articulation. You probably can't make it. I actually don't think that Tacoma can make it either.
You got rock sliders though.
Yeah, but there's like a fucking massive hole. There's a hole that's about 3 feet. You can pull up and take a look if you want.
Alright, I'll just go up and check it out.
You might need more speed.
Yeah, just don't let off on the gas. But like, you don't have to floor it, but like, just keep your momentum. Turn passenger. Yeah, just stop right there, then go to your passenger side. No, stop. Yeah, you might have to start over if you want to try it. Should I lock my my desk? Oh yeah, for sure. Lock your diff on this. Cause you're just bending like one of your tires.
I think he's buried on the back, the rear tires. See if you could back up. Alright, no, you never mind, you're good.
On and then just like you don't have to gun it, but like keep your momentum.
Now you probably have to go further down, like kind of where you started originally.
Yeah, you need the momentum. You need more aggressive tires. Passenger.
There you go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Go to your left if you can. I'm coming.
Alright, go for it. You're gonna see nothing but sky, but you're good. You're good, you're good.
Oh damn!
You know what? You might as well go forward.
I think. Well, if you go forward, you're gonna hit your diff. You gotta go forward and gonna go left.
No, like, yeah, go forward or turn left. Yeah, to your driver's side.
Let it go out here.
Try to hit your, either go out or run over it with your tire. Alright.
Well, nice while record now. So we are about 2 hours in, and we're gonna turn back around and go to the wind caves. So we are down this narrow path that isn't on the GPS, and I'm just gonna walk it through, see if it's doable. Or turn around.
With your rock sliders.
You can.
We'll get caught up for here.
You can't even lay down there flat. That's how. I mean, yeah, we could probably ride it and make it, but
Yeah, but like,
but then our fucking mirror would probably go into that.
that's why it's dug out right here, right?
Yeah.
Let's turn around. Well, how are we gonna turn around?
Scratch the hell out of the side of my truck trying to back up. Ran over a bush, but it seems like it's okay. Was it worth taking the beaten path?
Yeah.
God, don't hit me on these bushes. Hey! Well, I'm actually within your mirror, so it's fine.
Go slow.
might have scraped your muffler there. It actually does not look too bad from down here. Like, it would probably look better if I was up there. Oh! Hit your steps. So I went down first and I was recording the other guys coming down, and my truck got stuck in the soft sand. So I was actually kind of afraid of rolling the truck off the edge. It doesn't appear bad from this angle, but I just wanted a spotter just be on the safe side.
No, your tires are fine. It's not digging in. 14, right? Hear me? No. Just back up a little bit. Back up. Forward? Your forward is good. It's just gonna roll right here. You'll be right here. Just all the way down. Keep pulling off. Keep pulling off.
Alright, so we spent about an hour trying to look for those wind caves. Walked around, we even cheated and we flew a drone around to try to look for it. And couldn't find it. It was super hot, so we walked around for like an hour, back and forth, couldn't find it. No signal, GPS was not working correctly. So we gave up, went back to set up camp, and now I'm having a beer. A Steve Austin Broken Skulls IPA. It's a decent IPA. I gotta smash it on my head after. So that's the rules. So Charles got a chair that comes with shocks because he's extremely overweight. And he's blown out so many chairs that it needs to come with some aftermarket shocks.
Don't hate on a chair, man. I'm chilling.
Hey man, congrats on passing your class, being a nurse.
Thanks.
Are you excited to wipe asses?
Been excited. You want to be my first one? Gay! Guess who's my first patient?
Oh god, I hope not. So if you're lucky, you'll see military planes fly by throughout the day.
Awesome. It's the sound of freedom. That's the sound of freedom.
So we're just sitting here, chatting, relaxing, having a beer in front of the fire, and having your tent, bro.
Part of my plan, dude.
Just let it fly away?
Yeah, I figured you had some extra room in your tent.
So it was a nice short trip to get away from everything, but if we stayed another night, we probably would have experienced heavy rain. Look at these black clouds right in front of the white clouds.